Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Follow the teachings, instructions of Mahaprabhu as it is. Don't twist it. Huh? Do you follow? Don't twist it. Don't add any of your deliberations to it. Just follow as it is. It is said, but the Gurudev says, Guru Mukha Padma Vakyo Chitite Koriya Aikyo Ar Nakuriyo Mone Asha. Isn't it? Guru Mukha Padma Vakyo. That Vakyo words came out from the lotus leaf of Guru. Execute it, accept it as it is. Don't twist it. Don't add any of your deliberation to it. Just accept as it is and execute it. This is beneficial to you. Give this example, Parsuram and Lord Ram. Jamdagni told Parsuram, his son and disciple, then said, chop off the head of your mother. Immediately he did it. He didn't deliberate. Oh, chop off the head of my mother, commit matru hatya dosh. He didn't think of it. He did it immediately. No deliberation. Do you understand? That is what? As it is. Dasarath said, King Dasarath, Lord Ram, he was going to be enthroned, sit on the throne, become king. Everything changed within the night. So, in the morning, he said, go to forest for 14 years. Immediately started. You understand? Set out. Chalo. No deliberation. Yes. So, Mahaprabhu's Sikhya. The Acharyas, Bonaparte Acharyas coming in the line of Mahaprabhu, what they have given us. निष्किंचनस्य भगवद भजनोन्मुखस्य पारंपरं जिगिमीश्वर भवसागरस्य संदर्शनं विषयाणांगथो जोषितांच हा हंतो हंतो बीजभक्त्यनतो अपि असाधु. You follow Jagadatma. It's in Chaitanya Chandrodaya that says Mahaprabhu's statement. Mahaprabhu is saying, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, those who are very, very eager, do you understand, develop much interest, how to cross over this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, do you understand? And those who are very much interested in bhajan path, I'll do bhajan and achieve the supreme perfection of life. That is lotus feet of Krishna. Do you understand? For them, it is forbidden, strictly forbidden. Vishoy darshan, stri darshan. Do you follow? Strictly forbidden of seeing a materialistic person and a woman. Vishoy darshan and stri darshan. Yes. It is said, Visabhakhyana to apyasad. To see a materialistic person and see a woman, Josid, by seeing this desire for enjoyment develops. As soon as one sees, as soon as eyes fall, immediately, unconsciously desire develops. Enjoyment. The word Josid is very significant word. Josid means seeing this desire of enjoyment develops. That is Josid. Do you follow? It's Josid. Name. This word is very significant. Josid. Do you follow me? Yes, he says. Jositancha, it's a Sandarsanam Visayanangatha Jositancha. Hanto hanto Visabhakyanato piyasadhu. It is more dreadful, more dangerous than taking of poison. Visabhakyana, taking of poison. You understand? You have that desire. But now, if you are very eager and have very much interested how to cross over this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence and tread this path of bhajan, they should not see a Josit, should not see a Visai, materialistic person and woman. If someone violates this, you follow? Violates this is the instruction of Mahaprabhu. And sees, then what happens? It becomes covered up with ignorance. Ignorance of Vidya, this true knowledge becomes covered up. He forgets Krishna, Bhagavad Vishnu. What do you say? He tries to measure, calculate or measure, judge the Akinchana Vaishnavas. Do you follow?
Wherever I see only women and materialistic men. What can I do?
You should be very careful not to see. Not to see.
Blind for myself. Blind for myself.
Blindfold yourself. Like Gandhari. Gandhari. Put, I like. Put. Blindfold yourself.
This I remain.
Gandhari put. Her husband was blind, so let me blind. Blind myself. Jokeswara. As Bilva Mangal blinded himself, do like that. Yes. That's all thorn. First in his eyes. Jokeswara. Do you follow me? You should understand in Tattva. You should develop such vision to see Lord in everywhere. That's what. That is what. Yes. Thavar jangama dekhe, no dekhe tar murti. Sarvatra hoi tar ishtodeva spurti. He sees moving and non-moving entities, but he never sees the outward form or bodies. He sees his Ishta, Krishna, how he is there. Do you follow me? Paramatma, he sees Paramatma. Equal vision, Vidya Vino Sampanne, Brahmane Kabhyastini, Sunichaiva, Sopa Akecha, Pandita, Samadarsina. Gita says, Vidya Vino Sampanne. He sees a Brahman, he sees a Chandal, he sees a cow, he sees a dog, he sees an elephant, isn't it? But never sees the outward forms. He sees the Paramatma, isn't it? Equal vision. He sees equal. How is equal? You see Paramatma. Paramatma is everywhere. Your Ishta is everywhere. If you can see, then that is not Visaya Darshan or Stri Darshan. Do you follow me?
We have to come to ground orientation.
Yes. Yes.
You still see the external form.
Don't see the external forms.
What do you see? If you see a materialistic enjoyer,
Yeah.
a lusty woman,
Yeah.
how can you see Krishna?
That will give up this desires, give up this lust, transform into love. Do you follow? Transform your lust into love. Kama to prema. That is our teaching.